everyone, welcome back. I'm Nicole Norman.
And I'm Sandy Romero.
And we're going to talk with you all about the Smart Home Manager app. So, before we get started, we're going to talk a little bit about why the Smart Home Manager app is important and can be really beneficial if a customer knows about it. Sandy, can you tell us a little bit about what the Smart Home app is?
Yes, the Smart Home Manager app is a way that you can check your internet connection in your home. You can do speed tests. You can see what devices are connected. It just gives you a good knowledge of, the modem itself. There's a section on the device, just what it's doing in your home and how to make it better.
Absolutely. So in your Google Play Store or the Apple Store, you can actually download the Smart Home Manager app. This app is actually free to any AT&T Internet customer. They can download it onto their smartphones or their tablets, and they will be able to utilize that to basically control their internet no matter where they are. Another really cool feature about the app, we will actually go over the app in just a few. We'll give you a little tutorial on how the app works. But the app is just really beneficial because not a lot of other companies provide it. I personally have AT&T Internet at my home, as well as use the app quite a bit. Sandy, can you tell us about what you use the app for?
Yes, I use my app. I have 2 teenagers at home, and so what we have to do is we're in home doing homework. So when I'm at work, I don't know what they're doing, but I can go on the app and I can see my son's playing his PlayStation and not on his computer. So what I can do is I can pause that device, or I can turn the internet connection completely off. They're gonna start freaking out. He's gonna call me and I can say, hey, you're not doing your homework. So I use it mainly for that, to control my kids and what they're doing on the internet.
Yeah, absolutely. Another really cool feature of the Smart Home Manager app is you can reboot that modem router combination right from the app as well. So you don't have to worry about unplugging it for the 30 seconds. It is recommended that you actually restart your internet connection, once every 30 days. So that's a really nice way to be able to do it as well. Okay, so before we give you the tutorial, do you have anything else you want to add?
Nope, let's show them how it works.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how we can actually use the Smart Home Manager app. It's one of my favorite apps that I have on the phone, especially while I'm at work, away from home. I can still manage my internet. So the first thing you'll do is open the app. Once you are there, it actually opens up your folders. So in the folders, it'll tell you what's your internet status. You can find weak Wi-Fi signal in your home, and you can also scan for better Wi-Fi. One of my favorite parts about the app is actually going into the network. It tells you what your speed is, your home hardware, and connected devices. I do tend to run some speed tests. As you can see, I have a 12 megabit plan, but you can actually run a speed test, and I could even run it from here to see exactly what speed I'm getting. Also, you have your network hardware. Another great feature is you're able to see the connected devices. By just a click of the button, you're able to set profiles as well as see a list of your connected devices. As you can see up at the top, that's my daughter's iPad. The cool thing is say if I wanted to actually pause or prioritize that iPad. This is important for me because, again, I have that 13 megabit connection. So I have to be able to go in there and prioritize the important ones, the ones that I want to have the Wi-Fi on. And then I can also pause it. So a good example of this, again, this is my daughter's iPad. She's 4. And at night, we let her watch her iPad for a little while. And instead of taking the iPad away, I actually can just go on there and pause the internet from her iPad. And then that way she knows that it's time to put the iPad away for the evening. A couple other things that you can do, you can actually go and scan for better Wi-Fi in your home, as well as you can find weak Wi-Fi spots in your home. So this is going to be important. Say if you start working from home or you're doing schooling from home, you would be able to actually go to the different areas of your home to see where you might be able to get that best connection. So that is a little tutorial of the Smart Home Manager app.
Okay, so as you can see from the tutorial, that the app has a lot of benefits. Sandy, do you want to wrap us up?
Yeah, I mean, just using that tutorial, you'll be able to talk to your customers, to go over how you can manage your device, help your customers. If your kid's in the background, use my example or one that you might have so that you can relate with them, so they know how to use the device through the app. It's just a good thing to have, so we know what's going on at home with our internet and how to stay connected better.
Absolutely. Okay, so go educate your customers on the Smart Home Manager app from AT&T, and we'll see you next time.
Until next time.